If you're interested in trading cryptocurrencies, you've come to the right place. In this video, I will guide you through the basics of buying, selling, and storing digital currencies. However, it is important to note that this is not financial advice, and you should always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Through this video, you will gain an understanding of the exciting world of cryptocurrency trading. And by the end, you will have 7 valuable tips to help you succeed as a beginner trader. Cryptocurrencies have the potential to generate significant profits, and investing in them can be a lucrative opportunity. However, keep in mind that the market is highly volatile, and it's important to stay informed and make informed decisions. We hope this video serves as a helpful introduction to the world of cryptocurrency trading. If you're ready to take control of your financial future, let's get started. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for future updates. What is cryptocurrency trading, and how does it work? Cryptocurrency trading is buying, selling, and exchanging cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ripple in the digital market. It's an alternate way to invest money that differs from traditional investments because it doesn't take place on public stock exchanges. Cryptocurrency trading works by speculating on price movements or fluctuations in a cryptocurrency's value against a fiat currency. If you believe that the price of Bitcoin will increase against the US dollar, you can buy a certain amount of Bitcoin at its current exchange rate with USD and wait until its value increases to sell your holdings back into USD. The most common way to trade cryptocurrency is via an online exchange platform like Coinbase or Binance. Traders can buy and sell cryptos using either fiat currency or another crypto token. Crypto investors use these platforms to monitor prices across multiple exchanges more efficiently to make investment decisions. Another approach used by experienced investors is automated trading bots, which are programs set up with predetermined conditions for when to buy and sell based on custom algorithms or machine learning models. These bots attempt to identify patterns in cryptocurrency markets, which may indicate trends, allowing them to capitalize on timed trades before. Which markets and currencies should beginners pay attention to? Beginners should pay attention to the major markets and currencies, such as the US dollar USD, Euro EUR, British pound GBP, Japanese yen JPY, and Swiss franc CHF. These 5 currencies make up most of the global foreign exchange market, so beginners need to be familiar with them. Additionally, they should keep an eye on emerging markets such as China's renminbi and India's rupee. Finally, they should watch key economic indicators like GDP growth rates or inflation figures in these countries to understand their economic climate better. Exploring the crypto world could be scary for people who have never done it. Even for people who know much about money, it can take a lot of work to keep up with how quickly apps and software change. But as we'll see later, investing in digital currencies has a lot of benefits. Investing in cryptocurrency is also a great way to diversify your portfolio and keep your money safe. Beginners to pay attention to cryptocurrencies that has potential. Besides Bitcoin and Ethereum, here are the best digital currencies to buy. UniWap. UniWap is a popular cryptocurrency right now. Uni is a DeFi master, an Ethereum-based decentralized exchange DEX that directly connects buyers and sellers of various cryptocurrencies. The most recent significant change at UniWap is the release of Optimism, a product that has been in production for 2 years. ApeCoin. The Ape DAO, which uses ApeCoin as its governing token, runs the Bored Ape Yacht Club collection of events. The fact that ApeCoin wants to work with pay games made by Animoca brands is another essential thing that will help it blow up. Cardano added more features besides intelligent contracts, such as the ability to make tokens. Intelligent contracts will determine whether Cardano succeeds or fails. It is always possible that Cardano is just a scam and has never worked as well as promised. XRP. Once the dispute with the SEC is over, Ripple's financial acceptance will go through the roof. This will make XRP one of the most popular digital assets to buy. It's also important to remember that XRP was the third largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization for a long time. The main reason to put XRP on your list is that most people think Ripple will win its legal battle with the SEC, which would be great for its value. Binance Coin. Investors can get a discount on transaction fees when they use the token. The BSC is the second largest platform for DeFi programs, after Ethereum and before Bitcoin. As the DeFi economy grows, BNB may become more popular. Dogecoin. Dogecoin is an essential form of money. The idea of cryptocurrency is often taken seriously, even though it was meant to be a joke. With this strategy, they were able to reach a much larger group of people than Bitcoin ever could. Dogecoin made it easier for people to use digital currencies. If you enjoyed the video, please click the like button and hit the bell button. Solana. Suppose you bought Sol, the native token for the innovative contract platform growing the fastest. In that case, you could look at a possible 850% plus return when it eventually recovers this ADH. The crypto community is sure that Sol will reach new highs during the next market rally. And this price again. How do you set up a trading strategy? You can save time and money by making your trading strategy, which is also fun and easy. The first step in making your trading strategy is to decide what kind of trader you are, how long you plan to trade, and what products you will trade. When making a trading strategy, it is best to look at historical data to see how an asset has done in the past. Establishing rules like entry and exit points can help a strategy work. By testing a strategy on various indicators and over different periods, you can find out how and when it will work, and the best ways to make money and avoid losing it. Try to rely on something other than strategies that work 100% of the time, because that's not possible. What are the risks of trading cryptocurrencies, and how can they be minimized? You can reduce the risks of trading cryptocurrencies by having a clear trading strategy and sticking to it. The risk comes when traders are overcome by FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt, or FOMO, fear of missing out, and change their strategy in the middle of a trade. Trading in crypto can be very profitable, but it's also very risky. The most important thing to remember is to trade only what you can afford to lose. Before deciding to trade in a particular cryptocurrency, here are some risks to think about. 1. Hacking and the theft of your assets can happen if there are bugs in the code or other weaknesses. 2. With their claims of new features and technological advances, fake ICOs can attract traders with little experience desperate to make money. 3. Price crashes can be caused by pump and dump schemes, in which developers or owners drive up the price and then sell their coins on the market. 4. If not enough people buy into the business idea or the founders don't do what they said they would, the token's value can go to zero. What tools and platforms are best for getting started with cryptocurrency trading? Then, to build your crypto wealth, you'll need to know what you're doing and have the right crypto rating charting tools and platforms. Even though this project has a lot of risks, feel free to doubt your ability to succeed. We've listed the best crypto rating charting tools and platforms for new investors to help you make the best choice. Best cryptocurrency trading charting tools. 1. TradingView. TradingView is a massive company offering live trading charts for cryptocurrency and stocks. They are one of the most comprehensive charting providers, with more technical indicators than you can ever require. They offer both free and paid services. TradingView is the primary Bitcoin charting tool that all of the greatest traders use. 2. Crypto. Kraken, a major exchange, owns Crypto. It is free and allows you to chart across many coins and visualize 10+ charts in one view. I strongly advise you to check it out. You have nothing to lose with those free cryptocurrency charts. Best cryptocurrency rating platforms. Bybit. Bybit is a popular cryptocurrency exchange that offers advanced trading features and user-friendly interface. The platform provides high liquidity, fast execution speeds, and low trading fees to traders. In addition, Bybit offers 24/7 customer support and has a strong commitment to security, making it an attractive option for traders of all levels. Binance. Based on the number of trades, Binance is thought to be the biggest cryptocurrency exchange platform in the world. It trades more than $2 billion every day. This currency exchange also handles more than 1.4 million trades per second. Bittrex is a platform for exchanging cryptocurrencies based in Zurich and is used by both new and experienced traders. It works within the blockchain framework of the European region, which requires that KYC, know your customer, and AML, anti-money laundering policies are followed. Coinbase Pro. It is owned by Coinbase, a digital currency wallet and exchange platform based in California that was started in 2012. It lets people trade different cryptocurrencies on a safe exchange backed by insurance. How do you find the right entry point for trading cryptocurrencies? Finding the right entry point for trading cryptocurrencies involves understanding the market, researching available options, and setting up a personal risk management system. Start by familiarizing yourself with the various types of cryptocurrencies and how they function. You should also set aside money to invest in cryptocurrency, as it can be highly volatile. Once you've done that, you'll need to conduct extensive research on different exchanges, specific coins or tokens you want to buy, the historical performance of those assets, and more. Lastly, creating a risk management system that outlines your limits on investment sizes, frequency of trades, and acceptable levels of loss or gain per trade is crucial. Having these elements in place before starting crypto trading can help ensure your decisions are well informed and your portfolio is correctly managed. How can you protect yourself from fraud and hacking attacks when investing in cryptocurrencies? To protect yourself from fraud and hacking attacks when investing in cryptocurrencies, you should invest only through trustworthy exchanges. Never share your private keys or passwords with anyone else. Use strong passwords. Enable two-factor authentication when available, and keep your devices secure. Plus, proper research before investing in any cryptocurrency is always essential. 7 trading tips for beginners to start. 1. Experienced analysts give daily support and resistance levels to market players. A resistance level is a price above the current price that the price may not rise above. In contrast, support is a level below which a crypto price shouldn't fall, so it's always below the current price. 2. Increased trading volumes are used in this trading strategy. Smart traders follow margin requirements and other rules to avoid bad trading experiences. Scalpers analyze a crypto asset's trends, volumes, and entry and exit points within a day. One of the best trading strategies is primary research. You don't need to be a trading expert to research the value of an asset. A trader uses this strategy to profit from intraday price swings in a cryptocurrency of his choice. Investors use technical indicators to determine crypto entry and exit points. Regarding crypto market timing, it's best to assume it's impossible. So, dollar cost averaging is a wise crypto investment strategy. DCA is regularly investing a fixed amount. This strategy helps investors avoid market timing and build wealth over time. A balanced portfolio of Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and Ethereum can help beat volatility. Additionally, investors can maintain a fixed amount of regular crypto investments. This will increase risk appetite and help your portfolio's long-term performance. Depending on social media for cryptocurrency news is a mistake new investors make. Never invest based on social media hype. Digital currency is a hot topic, so fake news spreads quickly. Conclusion: cryptocurrency investments have many benefits, but the most important ones are freedom of transactions, security, and ease of transactions. You should invest in crypto. Every crypto investor should know the value of freedom. You can withdraw your money anytime you want. There's no need for the money to go through arbitrary approvals. And cryptocurrencies are more secure than any other form of investing. You can't be hacked. So that's all for today's video. We will make more videos about crypto in the future. If you like this video, click the like and the bell buttons.